Hello everyone, myself Sonam teacher. Today I am going to teach you for class 7th English textbook Honeycomb, poem number 6, that is Mystery of Talking Fan. See, as we know, the fan is a non-living thing, but here the name of poem is that the fan is talking with someone. In real life, it is not possible that fan will talk with us. No, never it is possible. But here the poet is telling that the fan is talking with a poet. How it is possible and how the fan is talking with the poet? See, if we listen that any fan is talking with human being or anyone else, means it will be interesting or it will be very amazing to listen how the fan is talking. So, let us see what actually the poet wants to tell by the poem, how the mystery of talking fan he is going to describe or tell us. So, open your textbook, page number 97. Mystery of the talking fan. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? See, when you are sitting in the hall or in the bedroom, that time there is a ceiling fan which is fixed to the ceiling. So, that ceiling fan is used to get the proper air or ventilation in the room. If there is no fan, we feel very uncomfortable. So, that fan is never talking with us, but we are sometimes saying that I have to make it slow or fast, but never the fan is talking with us. But here the poet says that the same fan, the ceiling fan, is talking with us. How? Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. See, the poet is saying that once there was a talking fan. Once the fan was started to talk with the poet. But what happened? The electrical his chatter. The fan was talking in the electrical way. Means, what is the chatter? Yes, chatter means the talking. Most of the time, the discussion which is apart from the work or just a gossiping. So, how the poet is saying that the fan is chattering or talking? Yes, it is talking electrically. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and the poet is saying that the fan started to talk with me, he started to chatter with me, but I am unable to understand what the fan wants to talk with me. He was trying to understand what actually the fan is talking with him, but it was in vain. He couldn't understood what the fan is talking with the poet. And I hope it doesn't matter. The poet is thinking that the fan wants to talk with me, that's why it making some sounds. Actually, the fan was talking with the poet? No. The fan was making the sound, and that sound is like that, it is a electrical chatter. So, the poet feel the fan wants to talk with me, so it is making the noise. Actually, if we talk scientifically, the fan is just making the noise because of, yes, sometime it happens that there is not proper maintenance of the fan or any problem in any part of the fan. So, it happens, it make noise, it creates some different sounds. But here the poet make the personification that might be the fan is talking. Any non-living thing cannot be talk like a human being, but when we give an example like the fan is talking with me, so we can say that it is a personification. So, the poet said the fan wants to talk with me something, but I am unable to understand. It happens with us also that next person is going to tell us something else, but we are unable to understand it. But then too, we try and we can understand. But here the poet is unable to understand and he feel that doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled. Why it happened that poet is thinking about what the fan is talking with me and suddenly he said that I hope it doesn't matter? Because somebody else, but not a poet, oiled that fan. See, sometimes the machines are not working properly. So what we do? Yes, we use oil or to grease it. We used to oil or grease it to make it smoothly running. And after using the oil or the grease, that machines will start working smoothly like previously. Means machines also need the maintenance and it should be done on the proper time. If suppose you have not done the maintenance properly, then it will be the same situation like the fan, the ceiling fan, electrical fan in the poet's house. As the fan started to make some sound and the poet feel it is a chatter of fan, electrical chatter of fan means the fan wants to talk with the poet. But he was thinking what the fan is talking with me. Before that someone or somebody had already oiled that fan. His little whirling motor means somebody just oiled to the motor. Which motor? Yes, the fan's motor was oiled by someone else. As the poet feel that who did this? Actually the poet doesn't or didn't oil it, but he feel that someone else had did this. Because of that the poet couldn't understand what the fan wants to tell. He was curious to know what actually the fan is going to talk with him. And all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. He ran as still as water. See, and all the mystery was spoiled. Why the mystery was spoiled? Because the poet was thinking or he was feeling that someone will come, someone came and he just oiled. Because of that the fan is not going to talk with me. He stopped making the sound and he feel that the poet, that fan is not talking with me now. See, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. The poet was thinking that now the fan will talk with me, fan is going to tell me something else, but what happened? Yes, somebody already oiled that fan and because of that the small motor started to working properly. Previously the whirling motor was not working properly, it was making some different sounds, and so that poet feel it is a electrical chatter of a fan, means fan is talking something, but his poet is unable to understand it and all the mystery was spoiled. See, the poet was happy that I am going to understand or I am going to talk with a fan, fan is telling me something amazing, because it is mysterious that fan is talking with me, but because of someone already oiled that fan, the fan stopped making sound, it started to work smoothly and it ran as still as water. What is meant by ran as still as water? When the silent, like a silent water, means very smoothly the fan started to work. So poet feel disappointed that the fan was going to tell me something, but because of somebody has already oiled it, I couldn't understood or I am unable to understand what the fan wants to tell me. We will read once again the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. The poet was just sitting under the ceiling fan and he listened some sound. The poet listened some sound and he just feel the fan wants to talk with him, talk differently, but what happened? Yes, it was in vain. The fan didn't talk with the poet, means the poet was unable to understand the sound what actually fan wants to tell, but at the end someone else, another person just oiled that fan, and because of that what happened? Yes, he stopped talking, means the fan was working very smoothly, and at the end the poet was disappointed, the fan is not going to talk with me. The very little poem that tells just it is a personification that fan is talking with someone or poet, but poet was unable to understand what actually the fan wants to tell, because as the poet understand, before that someone oiled the fan and it started to work very smoothly. Now we are going to see the exercise of this poem, Mystery of Talking Fan. Question number 1. Fan don't talk, but it is possible to imagine that they do. What is it then that sound like the fan chatter? See, when we talk about a fan, it never happens fan will talk with us, but we can imagine that the fan is talking with us. So what is the answer? The noise created by the fan's motor due to lack of oiling was being compared to the fan's chatter. Actually the fan was making noise because of it is not having, or it is having the less oiling, or because of lack of oiling the fan was not working smoothly, it was making some different sounds. So that sound is compared with the chatter. Chatter means the talking or gossiping. Question number 2. Complete the following sentences. The first sentence, the chatter is electrical because, in front of because you have to complete the sentence, and the answer is the chatter is electrical because the fan functions on an electrical motor and the attention to my chatter. Noise was being produced by its motor. The second one line, it is mysterious because. Why it is mysterious? Because the poet was unable to comprehend what the fan was saying. Question number 3. What do you think the talking fan was demanding? Demand, to ask. Okay. So what the talking fan was demanding? Answer, the talking fan seems to be demanding, it need some oiling to some attention. It was demanding oiling. The moment it was oiled, it fell silent. See, the fan was making noise, and that noise means the poet feel that the fan wants to talk with poet, but actually the noise was made because of it is not oiled, or it was having the lack of oil, and so it was not working smoothly. But as soon as someone just gave attention and oiled the fan's motor, it was started to work properly and it was working smoothly, so it fell silent. Question number 4. How does an electric fan manage to throw so much air when it is switched on? How can the electric fan manage to throw much more air when it is switched on? Means how the fan works when it is switched on. An electrical fan comprises of 3 blades and a rilling motor. The moment it is switched on, the motor starts and begins to rotate, forcing the blades to move in the circular movement. This generates a lot of pressure which forces the air downwards in all directions. See, when we see to the fan is having 3 blades which are of same size and a whirling motor that is used to just function it properly. The movement of as soon as we switch on, the motor starts and it began to rotate, and forcefully it moves the blades of fan, and because of that there will be a lot of pressure and it just help to just force the air downwards in all the directions. Then we feel very comfortable because of this air. Question number 5. Is there a talking fan in your house? Create a dialogue between the fan and a mechanic. See, here is a question imaginary, that you have to imagine the talking fan is there and that fan is talking with a mechanic. Who is mechanic? Yes, who repairs the machines is known as mechanic. So, the fan is talking with mechanic. Let us see what will be the dialogues between the fan and the mechanic. Answer: yes, there is a talking fan in my house which perhaps requires some oil. The fan which needs some oil, it requires some oil, is talking with a mechanic. A means you can say as a mechanic. Hi, I just realized that you are talking fan. Fan says, oh great, finally, I had been waiting for someone to pay attention to my chatter. Mechanic says, why so? I never knew you were trying to seek attention. Actually, if someone is talking or making the noise, we doesn't feel that he or she wants to attract us or want our attention. But here the fan said that I want your attention. Talking fan says, of course, I was. What else I am expected to do when nobody worries about my maintenance? I need some oiling to function smoothly, but nobody is bothered. Thank you so much. That would indeed be kind. The talking fan was saying thank you to the mechanic, as the mechanic came and just oiled the whirling motor, and because of that now fan is working very smoothly. See, this is an imaginary conversation that you can also prepare such way that fan is talking with a mechanic. Instead of that, you can do that fan is talking with you, means a owner, a person who is living in a home. Very short answer question. First one, what does the phrase he ran as still as water mean? The meaning of phrase, the phrase is he ran as still as water. Answer, the phrase he ran as still as water means that it began to function smoothly. The fan began to function smoothly. Second question, what was troubling the talking fan? What trouble was there? Why the talking fan was worried or waiting for someone's attention? The talking fan was being troubled by the lack of oiling on its various parts, disabling him from the functioning smoothly. Disabling him means it was the fan was unable to work smoothly or to function smoothly, so that the fan was having problem of lack of oil. Yes. Short answer type questions. First one, why was all the mystery spoiled? See, there was a mystery, poet was feeling it is mysterious thing, as the fan wants to talk with the poet, but why the mystery was spoiled? The answer is, the poet could hear the chatter of the fan, though she could not understand it, but soon the scope to the decode and comprehend it was lost as the fan's motor was oiled by someone. Thereafter, the talking fan became silent. The poet wanted to know actually what the fan is going to tell poet, but before that someone just oiled that motor and the motor was started to work very smoothly. So, the poet said that the talking fan became silent because of oiling, and because of that the mystery was spoiled. Question number 2. Who do you think or understand what the talking fan wished to convey? Who do you think or understand what the talking fan wished to convey? Actually, the talking fan wants to talk with, see, the talking fan seemed to be very noisily and continuously chattering. Perhaps besides the poet, the others could hear it too. Though the poet was curious, she never made an attempt to understand what the talking fan said. See, the poet was thinking what actually she was just curious what actually the fan wants to talk with me. It was not that only poet is understood that fan is making the noise. Everyone was listening that fan was making the noise, but the poet was curious what actually the fan wants to talk with me as the fan is making the noise. Or you can write the answer, perhaps before she could, the message was decoded by the person who attended to the needs of the fan by oiling its motor. See, the poet was going to help the fan, going to understand what the fan wants to talk with her, but before that only someone else just gave the oiled the fan, and because of that everything was spoiled. It was in vain, means the poet was thinking what I will talk with fan, what actually fan is going to talk with me, that everything was spoiled. Extract based questions, sometimes in exam you will have such type of questions. You will have the small stanza of the poem, or there will be paragraph from the lesson, and then you have to read out that and just answer the questions on that. Directions, read the extract given below and answer the following questions. What is the extract? I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. This is a stanza from the poem, and first one question based on the poem. Why does the poet say, I hope it doesn't matter? Why the poet said, I hope it doesn't matter? Answer, the poet was hoping that the fan's chatter didn't make much difference. See, the poet feel that the sound or whatever the chattering of fan, it will not make much more difference, means it is a little sound, very little sound, because of that it will not understood by anyone else. The second one question, who oiled the motor? See, as we talk or just read out in the poem that the poet didn't oil the motor, then who else did this? And because of that the poet just disappointed, means there was no mystery because the motor started working smoothly. So, let us see who oiled the motor. Answer: the poet doesn't indicate who oiled the motor, but it surely wasn't the speaker. See, the poet doesn't give anyone's name, that my mother, father, or my uncle, or a mechanical gave the oil to the fan's motor. Just he mentioned that somebody else oiled the motor. Means surely the proper answer, the fixed one person's name is not given here. Poet also not mention the name of the person who had oiled the fan, but it denotes that the poet doesn't, or he didn't use the oil, or he was not oiled the fan, because there was a line, no, somebody oiled the fan. Question number 3. What was the connection between the motor and the fan's chatter? What is the actual connection between the motor and the fan's chatter? See the answer. The lack of oil in the motor was responsible for the noise produced by the fan. Because of lack of oil, the motor started to make some different noises, and that noise means, the poet said, it is a chatter. Chatter means, yes, talking. Due to lack of oil, the motor makes the noise, and that is only the chatter. Who is the he in the first line of the extract? In the first line of the poem, there is given he. Who is that he? Yes, that is the talking fan. That he is the talking fan. Means the poet feel that the fan means a human being. Question number 5. Why did the talking fan's chatter came to an end? See, the poet was thinking, now I am going to talk with the fan, I will understand, I will just try to understand what the fan wants to talk with me. But after some time, the chatter of the fan was stopped. It was end. Why it was end? Because somebody repaired the motor. How somebody repaired the motor? Yes, by oiling it. Somebody came and just oiled that motor, and because of that the fan stopped to making the noise. The last one question. Question number 6. Choose the synonym of the word whirling. What is whirling? Yes, it is a rotating. Actually, the word whirling came related to the motor. The motor inside the fan, which is used to just move or rotate the fan. So, it is known as whirling motor. So, whirling motor means it is a rotating, to rotate, to move round and round. So, in this way we had completed the poem. In this poem we talk about the fan which was making the noise because of yes, lack of oil, and the lack of oil just started to make the noise. The motor was not working properly, and the poet feel that the fan wants to talk with the poet, or the fan started to chatter to make discussion. But as the poet understands what the fan wants to tell, before that somebody just oiled that fan and just spoiled whole the mystery. Means that mystery was spoiled because of repairing or given oil by someone else to that fan. It many times happens that we are going to hope something else, but it happened differently. Same way happened with the poet. Poet wants to know what actually fan is going to tell me, or poet was understanding or trying to understand what the fan is going to tell, but due to oiling the fan, it stopped making the noise. Means very smoothly the whirling motor started to work, and it was compared with the still water, which was not making any noise, very silently, smoothly, stable water. So, in this way we completed the poem. you have to read the poem. Just make the underline the words, those words which you not understood. So, we can complete it in next episode. Thank you.